Okay.
All right, so yeah, we are here today having Zen Windows put in some replacement windows. We were looking for windows. The house is 17 years old, so we knew it was about time to get some replacement windows. My brother-in-law had just had some installed and was over at his house checking them out after a couple days after they were put in. He bragged about the installer, bragged about the process, how simple it was, how reasonable the prices were for what you're getting. And I've already noticed a difference today in just some of the windows, the installation, the thickness, the sound. You know, it's about 80 degrees today. You know, the heat that's coming in. We put the coating on some that are on the southern exposures, the UV coatings, and it seems to be making a difference. You know, just a much thicker, nicer window, and simple process. Dennis is easy to deal with. If you have a question, he calls you right back. Can't say anything more, you know, about it than just a easy all-around great experience. So check them out, Zen Windows.
Great, thank you.
All right.